In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see profile visits on Facebook. Let's start with the most important truth. Facebook does not offer a feature that shows who viewed your personal profile or how many times it was viewed. If you come across an app, a browser extension, or a post claiming it can reveal your profile visitors, that claim is false and often unsafe. There isn't a hidden setting or secret code that unlocks this information, and trying to use tools that promise it can put your account and data at risk. What you can do instead is focus on the signals Facebook does provide. One helpful approach is to look at engagement on your profile. Open the Facebook app or website, go to your profile, and review the likes and reactions on your posts, the comments people leave, your story viewers, and any new friend requests or message requests. When someone consistently engages with your content, that can suggest they're interested in what you share. Just remember, this is only a hint. It does not confirm that they visited your profile. If you want a direct viewer list, Facebook Stories is the one place that provides it. Open Facebook, tap or click your story, and view the story you want to check. On mobile, swipe up. On desktop, click Viewers. You'll see the list of people who watched that specific story. Keep in mind, this only applies to that individual story and doesn't translate to overall profile visits. Stories also expire after 24 hours, though you can view archived stories later if you have archiving enabled. The viewer list is tied to each story while it's active. For broader analytics, consider using professional mode on your personal profile or managing a Facebook page. From your profile, tap the menu button and select Professional Dashboard, then open Insights. Here you'll find aggregated numbers like profile reach, follower growth, and content performance. These insights are great for understanding trends and overall audience behavior, but they never show the names of individual viewers. A quick but critical warning: avoid third-party profile viewer apps, browser extensions that claim to reveal visitors, or videos suggesting code inspection tricks. These do not work. Many are designed to steal your account, harvest personal data, or violate Facebook's policies, which can lead to account restrictions. To recap, you can't see who viewed your personal profile. You can see who viewed your stories, you can monitor engagement, and you can use professional mode or page insights for numbers only. Any service claiming more is a scam. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.